Welcome to 555 Cooking Ideas. Today we are making 5 delicious one-pan vegan dinners that you can prepare in under 30 minutes. These meals are warm, comforting, healthy, and perfect for busy weeknights. Everything happens in one skillet, which means less stress and less cleanup. Let's get started. First, we begin with a chickpea and spinach curry. Place a large pan on medium heat and warm a little olive oil. Add chopped onion and garlic and cook slowly until the aroma becomes soft and sweet. Pour in drained chickpeas and coat them in the warm oil and onions. Sprinkle in cumin, paprika, turmeric, salt, and black pepper. Stir gently so the spices bloom and release flavor. Now add canned diced tomatoes and allow the mixture to simmer until everything thickens slightly. Add a large handful of fresh spinach and let it wilt into the curry. Finish with a squeeze of fresh lemon to brighten all the flavors. This curry tastes amazing with rice or warm flatbread. Next, we make a Mediterranean quinoa and vegetable skillet. Heat olive oil in a wide pan and add chopped onion, garlic, bell peppers, and zucchini. Cook until the vegetables become tender but still hold their shape. Add cherry tomatoes and canned white beans and stir everything together. Fold in cooked quinoa and let the grains absorb the flavors of the vegetables. Season with dried oregano, basil, salt, and pepper. This meal is colorful, filling, and packed with plant-based protein. For the third dish, we prepare a peanut ginger tofu and vegetable stir-fry. Start by warming a little sesame oil in your pan. Add cubed firm tofu and cook until each side turns golden and slightly crisp. Remove the tofu and set it aside. In the same pan, add minced garlic and grated ginger and cook just until fragrant. Add broccoli florets, sliced carrots, and chopped bell pepper. Stir until the vegetables become crisp tender. Return the tofu to the pan. In a small bowl, mix smooth peanut butter with a splash of water and soy sauce until it forms a light creamy sauce. Pour the sauce over the tofu and vegetables and stir until everything is coated and glossy. Serve over rice or noodles and sprinkle with sesame seeds if you like. Now we create a tomato and white bean shakshuka style bake that is completely vegan. Begin by sautéing onion, garlic, and chopped bell pepper in a pan until soft and lightly golden. Add smoked paprika, cumin, salt, and pepper and stir until the spices blend into the vegetables. Add canned diced tomatoes and white beans and let the mixture simmer gently. If you enjoy a cheesy flavor, you can add vegan feta or a sprinkle of nutritional yeast. Transfer the pan to a hot oven and bake until the top becomes slightly browned and bubbly. Finish with freshly chopped parsley and serve with crusty bread or whole grain toast. Finally, we make a creamy coconut, lentil, and vegetable curry. Warm olive oil in your skillet and add chopped onion, garlic, and ginger. Cook until the mixture becomes fragrant. Add sliced carrots and let them soften just a little. Sprinkle in curry powder and turmeric and stir so the spices deepen in color and flavor. Add red lentils, light coconut milk, and a little vegetable broth or water. Let the mixture simmer gently until the lentils soften and thicken the sauce. Stir in fresh spinach at the end and allow it to wilt into the curry. Season to taste and serve with rice or warm naan. These are 5 simple and nourishing one-pan vegan dinners you can prepare anytime you want something wholesome and quick. Each dish is filled with vegetables, plant-based protein, and bold flavor while staying easy enough for any beginner to make. Try one tonight and share your experience in the comments. Remember to subscribe to 555 Cooking Ideas for more healthy and delicious recipes. Thank you for cooking with me, and I will see you in the next video.